Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Gonna be trying the Right on Trek chili. I've not had this chili before. This is the last of my Right on Trek meals that I bought from them, because you know, not only did they send me the mac and cheese to review, but I actually went and purchased my own because I'm curious. So this is 16 ounces of water. Turn heat to low, add the chili mix to the pot. Pour, it comes with cheese. So accept cheese, cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, turn off heat, mix in the cheese and enjoy. And this whole bag is 640 calories. So it's, it's not very super big either. I've actually got an Esbit stove going right now for some mocha. And once I get that done, I'm gonna get this cooking. All right, so let's get the water on for the chili. Now I've got 16 ounces of water, so measuring cup for the win. I like accurate measurements from my meals. I don't mind thinner or thicker chili though, but I get the Primus stove with the canister. Where's the thing? Right here. Got the Dominator ferro rod out. I'm just going to use my EDC knife. That's no way to open it. Got to do the YouTuber thing. There we go. Well, where's my lid? Oh. Alright, I'm going to use my lid. I got my the products I'm going to be reviewing right here. It's going to be my my wind block. The wind is coming this way. So videos will be on the way, or in the description. Come on. Damn coated blades. Coated blades look cool, but they don't spark for jack. Hang on. So we went and got the BPS3, the sweet knife. Man, that's showered some sparks. Got a nice spine on it. Pretty slick knife. Alright, let's get this sucker open. Convenient terrace bots, which... There we go. So we got, it's like the seasoning, I think that's cheese. Interesting. Their chili seems to have corn in it, and it looks like rice. So it's it says Backcountry chili. I would say that was more of a, what kind of chili has rice in it? Almost like a southwestern chili. It's like black beans, corn. Maybe I'll use the other camera with a better focus. And then they threw in powdered cheese, which I thought was kind of interesting. Alright, so here's the look inside the bag while it's dry. As you can see, it's got little chunks of beef, corn, rice. It smells like a southwestern chili. I think I'm saying that right, with the corn and veggies in it. But it's alright. Alright, to hurry. Seeing plenty of steam. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add contents. And I believe it said to turn it down, so we're going to do that now. One thing I like about canister stoves versus like Trangia. Trangia is not as easy to turn down. Well, yes, they do have a simmering, but you know, it takes a true Trangia artist to get it right, and I'm just an amateur. It's like my equivalent of art would be stick figures. Alright, I believe it said 5 minutes, so we'll do a quick check. 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Okay, so we got a time check, 12:10. So we'll go 12:15. The heat should be okay. If not, I can always turn it down a little bit. And then we'll be trying some chili. I need to research the kind of chili. Because it says Backcountry. Unless they added, I mean, I like rice and corn, so. But it's not what I think when I think Backcountry chili. Alright. Sweet. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, but I'm going to give it another maybe 30 seconds because the wind actually blew out my stove. It's like a little gust came by and just went poof and was out. It's thickened up nicely though, real nice. I'm looking forward to trying this one because I like chili. I like chili a lot. So, you know, let's go ahead and call that. It's been about 30 seconds, I think. Now with this, I don't have to let it sit or do anything. I can just add the cheese, which we're gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna eat it. I'm actually really glad they included the cheese. That was a nice touch. I was thinking there was no cheese, but I didn't read it carefully. Get the cheese in here. See if I can not spill it everywhere, which I did anyway. Dang it. Get a stream of powdered cheese blowing in the wind. Too funny. Alright. That's what she looks like. There she is. It looks real good. Let's taste it. Alrighty. See how the chili is. It's a cook pot for two, but it's like half full. So 2 cups of water with the mix. See how she is. Hot. Ooh. Oh, hot. Wow. Alright, well, the flavor is quite nice. It's almost like a really runny, I mean, there aren't like a lot of big chunks of ground beef or anything, which I prefer to do on my own chili, but it's also got to rehydrate in water, so. It's good though, I like it. I would eat this again. For sure. It's like 9,000 degrees though. $9,000. It's over 9,000! Alright. I'm gonna enjoy my my lunch, and I'll bring it back when I'm done. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to sit here for 5 minutes watching me eat. Okay, so what's the verdict? Well, clean the pot. It was really good. Really good. Actually, truth be told, I got about halfway through and I started to get full. It's just water. But I finished it. Yeah, I didn't want to waste it. It was quite tasty though. I didn't know if I would eat it during the summer just because of how hot it was, because I was like, you know, but you know, late summer, fall meal could be money. I would get it again. It was on their website. The serving, the one serving was $7.99, which I'll link below. And you know, I was thinking about it too, a little competitive option. I looked up Packet Gourmet, which I also really like. I like their Texas State Fair chili. It was quite good. You're gonna stand up and be all cool for me on camera. I'm gonna be a pain in the ass and keep falling over. Anyway, I guess it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So you've chosen death. Arr. Anyway, Packet Gourmet's Texas State Fair chili, which is really good, but it's $12.99. So, not that I dislike it. I actually really like the Texas State Fair chili. I haven't bought it in a while just because it's well, it's $12.99. So maybe a nice competitive option if you're looking to save a few bucks and get the right on track. I liked it. I thought it was good. And with that, I will call this a completed video. So thank you for watching. All the links will be down in the description, and on the end screen I'll have the other meals that I tried. Excuse me. I actually want to get a few more and check them out. They have some oatmeal I want to try, because I like oatmeal, and some other flavors. So description will have information, and then have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one.